Want to get out to L.A. To get the perspective from Hollywood. Julia Borston is here to talk about all of the developments. How do you think this changes the landscape, and what kinds of transactions, all of a sudden everybody's talking about M&A, do you think get born out of this?
Yeah, Andrew, I think that's really the key piece here. One of my sources very close to the situation said, this isn't the end, this is the beginning, indicating here that in spinning off these cable networks, what Comcast is doing with this new co or this spin co is they're putting it in a situation where it could make meaningful acquisitions of other channels. I'm told by sources that we should expect there to be a lot of conversations about Warner Brothers Discovery, maybe looking to sell off some of its assets, the idea that some of those channels would fit well with this SpinCo. And then after that, maybe look at Stars, which is separating out from Lionsgate. That could be paired in here, AMC networks as well. So there are plenty of different cable networks that could be combined here. We could even see Paramount, which is going through its own management transition, sell some of those assets. But the question here is, what else does this company acquire? How do they try to squeeze out as much revenue as possible from these linear networks? And then what do they do with them from a digital perspective in terms of streaming? And then also, what do they do in terms of non-television revenues or non-TV or streaming revenues? Things like events, things like communities. You know, you have a network like Sci-Fi. Can they really build out that horror community around sci-fi? You know, it's interesting because Bravo is hosting these BravoCon events, and that's going to be part of Peacock. But I think we'll see more and more of those types of businesses out of this new SpinCo.